Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're using the Brave browser and still seeing ads, or just want maximum ad blocking, yeah, you're in the right place. In this full guide, I'll show you how to block ads completely on Brave step by step in 2026. First, make sure Brave shields are turned on. This is the built-in feature that blocks most ads automatically. Click on the Shields panel and set blocking to aggressive. This blocks even more ads and trackers. Go to Settings and block third-party cookies. Yeah, this helps prevent tracking ads from following you. Turn on fingerprinting protection. This stops advanced tracking methods used by ad networks. Brave uses filter lists to block ads. You can enable additional lists in settings for stronger protection. If you don't want any ads at all, turn off Brave rewards. This disables Brave's own privacy-friendly ads. You usually don't need extra ad blockers. Brave already does it well, and too many extensions can slow your browser. Make sure your browser is updated. Updates improve ad blocking filters and security. Now test your settings on a site with lots of ads. You should see a cleaner, faster experience. If a site breaks, you can lower shields for that specific site only. So yeah, adjust when needed, and that's it. With these settings, Brave will block almost all ads and trackers, giving you a faster and cleaner browsing experience.